welcome guys. Somebody better go tell Disneyland because she's stolen Minnie's ears and they're filthy. Ooh, posing. She's got some cream. She's putting some cream on her face. All over her face. Nose, cheeks. Pull a funny face. Why don't you? Funny face required. Lip balm, I think. Oh, cheeky, giving me the middle finger. Eyebrows. I think she's doing eyebrows. So she's got to colour your eyebrows in with the Crayola. Not sponsored. Not sponsored. She knows it. She's not happy. Then she's going to be she points to her eyes again. Oh, wrong way around. Another Crayola. She knows. Foundation. Dirty. Look at that. State of that then. All over the face. On your nose. Forehead. Everywhere, please. Beauty blender. That's a weird looking one. Looks like a poo emoji. Pull all over the face. Make sure you pull faces whilst doing this. And whilst you're doing neck, pull funny faces. Funny face required. Then she's got tribal paint. Tribal paint going on. Preparing for battle. Oh, pulled her out again. She needs more product. A lot of product on this one. In a nice pattern. Pose, pose. Oh, another beauty blender. Must be from Poundland. She's got loads of them. Dab, dab, dab. All over. Make sure you... Oh, she must have had a itchy nose there. Make sure you blend it in, guys. Fully blend. Another palette. Contour. Oh, very dark. It's very dark. She knows it's very dark. Look at that. Ugh. Did the cheekbones, so the chiseled. Look at that whilst pulling the duck face. Oh, she's a bit far right there with that one. And the chin. Make sure you get the chin. She's praying because she knows she's messed up. Another brush. Trying to chisel her nose. With a contour. All the way down. Oh, cleaning a brush on her hand. If that's how she cleaned the brush, then God help her. Pose before she did it. Another pose. Oh, third pose. Fourth, fifth pose. Sixth pose. Jesus. Ugh, look at that. It's disgusting. Another beauty blender. Just gonna bounce. Bounce, 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 whilst pulling faces. Bounce, 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 bounce. Bounce, bounce. Powder. Just pouring a bit. Dab, dab, dab. Dib, dab, dab. Dib, dab, dab. Dab. Dib, dib. And on the face. Multiple dabs and dib dabs are required for this before applying to the face. All over the face. And she's done. She's not normally that quick. 2 poses. 3 poses. And another palette. And the palette's empty. She might as well put it down and use something else. On the cheeks. Guessing this contour again. I think. All over. Cheeks. Whilst pulling the duck face. Pose. Soap palette. I can see this one. It says Soph with a kiss. She loves this one. Just saying love art. On the cheeks. On top of the contour. And on the forehead. She's getting the peach one. Dib dab on the nose. Pose. Another one. Another palette. Oh, that palette's messed up. What's she done to that? Tap, tap, tap. Oh, it's gone everywhere. Jesus Christ. It's everywhere. She broke it. Oh, it's on top of the cheeks again. More cheeks. Blend, blend. I'm guessing she's doing the eyes. Another palette. She's thinking. She don't have a clue what she's doing. What colour? Not a clue. Oh, brown. She's coming with a brown. Make sure you get the brown all the way around the eyes. Inside the crease. Keep going. And another brown on top of the brown. Brown is on the brown. Brown all the way in. On top, both eyes. Don't neglect one eye, guys. People will notice. Underneath. All round. Both eyes. Oh, careful. Careful this bit. You might put yourself and turn blind. Pull in a face. A peach colour now. Oh, 3 peach colours. One in centre. Rub it around. Keep rubbing. Just blend it in, blend it round. Both eyes again. Oh, I think she likes it. Blend. It's another. Anybody notice the difference there? Because I didn't. Crimp. Just gonna crimp her eyes. And she's got mascara. I know this one. Mascara on her eyes. Another mascara. 2 mascaras are required for this look. On one eye. She must have done 2. Now she's on her lips. Cotton bud. Oh, she's eating it. No, she's cleaning her lips off. Again, nice and fresh. She's done. Dirty Q-tip. Another Crayola for outline the lips. Not sponsored, guys, if you didn't know. Not sponsored. Crayola lips are done. Boom. Oh, anybody notice the hands change then? Went from left to right to left. Bottle of water. Any water will do. Spray on the face. Boom, boom, boom. And bang. She's done. And there's the finished look, guys. Boom. Thank you guys for watching. Please make sure you give it a like, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel for more. Peace.